Okay, we'll test this. Keep in mind it's 24 volts. Okay, what do we got? Nope. It's shorting, so the coil is still good, but it's not moving. So let's take it apart and see how it's jammed up. Tell you what, let's just tap it. See if we can get it to move by tapping it. However, if it jams once, it means it's going to jam again, so it still needs to be addressed anyway. Nope. Nope, it's not moving. Alright. So let's drill these. Ooh, smell of, I don't know, smell of some like a burning, oily, electrical oilies type smell. Ooh, not pleasant anyway. Okay, so we got a gasket. Now there's a coil here, and it's soldered right in here. And it looks to me, oh, there's water inside. Okay, well that explains a little bit. There's water coming out of it. And yeah, it looks like it was put together and then soldered. Oh well, it doesn't work anyway, so I guess we'll just cut the wires off. Tell you what, I think maybe I will desolder that, because it might free up. You know what? I am going to take that off. I'm going to grab a soldering iron. Okay, I'm going to desolder these contacts because if I cut them off, they're going to be too short. And then I'll never be able to put them back on, just in case. I don't think I'm going to use this again, but yeah, just in case. We'll try it. We'll need a small screwdriver. All right. I'll take these fittings off and see if I can get a better connection on that. All right. Well, it's smoking more. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, much better. All right. Okay. Alright, see that okay? Alright, let's pull this off. There's the coil. Now, the contacts. Okay, that's the part that moves. The contacts are below there though. Ouch, hot. So how do we lift that part out? I should have taken this piece off, I suppose. Okay, let's see if we can take that off. And the nuts are. Okay. And there's nothing in behind it anyway, so I guess the bracket didn't need to come off. Okay, so you can see the piece pushes down inside here. Oh, shit. Hell. Oh, where was it? Come apart. Oh, heck. Oh, well. Alright, what else did I lose? Well, there you go. Okay, the contacts are pretty badly corroded. Oh, there we go. Ah, just pushed out of the bakelite. Well, it's possible, I suppose, to clean it up if you're in a pinch, but it's pretty badly corroded. And once we clean it, that'll take the last of the copper coating off it. Well, I'm going to clean it up anyway, and we'll see. Okay, we cleaned the contacts up, and yeah, it's gone back to the bare steel. So the contacts are going to burn quickly now because there's nothing to stop it from arcing. So it won't last long, but could keep it around for an emergency spare, I suppose. Okay, I'm going to put it all back together. Okay. I'll put the other one in as well. Okay. Tap that down all the way. All right. Okay, so now that goes through there. Let's put a spot of oil on that. So that goes in like that, and that goes in. Now is there keyed? No, it's not keyed. Alright, so I guess it just goes in like that. Okay. I guess I better put some oil on this side too. That's probably where it was stuck, right in here. So let's take that corrosion off. That's probably where it was stuck, right in there. Alright, and that goes in there. So a bit of oil on that. Okay, and that goes in there. That goes on top. Like that. And that goes in that direction like that. Okay. Let's put this back into here. Alright, solder these back on. Alright. And that went on there, and then that went on. Oil off that, water. And next we have to find the new bolts. Okay, so we have to find some new bolts for these. Okay, so we found some nice brass bolts. Oh, didn't take these off yet. But we don't have any brass nuts, so we have to use just regular nuts. Okay, that goes there, and goes there. Okay, let's test this and see if it goes quick. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so it worked fine. So it looks like it was jammed up at that, jammed up at the top there. Okay. So, well, it's a used but good, shall we say, yeah? That's it. Okay, put all the tools away.